If you want to know how to transform your look from this to this, I can, because it's Serving Look Saturday and we did not come to play. Saturday, Serving Look. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think. So on today's episode of Hair and Heart Talk, we have your girl Leah in the color 1B. So getting straight into the wig card, she can take heat up to 400 degrees. She's 28 inches and HD transparent. Comes in soft blonde, hazelnut mocha, silver noir, ginger spice, honey swirl, cherry red, mocha macchiato. If you're new here, don't talk about my voice, okay? I'm recovering from laryngitis, but we must go on. This is the wig construction. I do apologize for this particular video. I don't know. I thought when filming that the quality was much better, but I guess that glare did mess up the light. But you can still see this is some HD transparent lace. You can see it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached. And if you stick with me, girl, the quality does increase the more the video goes on. You see it's already getting better. But there is a pre-part in there, but there's a lot of parting space. So, you know, she's still good in our book because, you know, I don't really like those C parts, but we'll be making them work, baby. And this one was, I really like this wig. I went to go eat in this wig and I got a lot of compliments in it. It was very natural. It looked natural, but it felt synthetic. Okay, don't talk about my deep man voice right there. It had to come out though because that was kind of funny. But anyways, so I pushed all of my baby hairs forward because when I glue my hair down, also y'all, bear with me if my voice goes in and out because it's still a little cracky, but I'm telling you, this is the best it's been. So I pin my hair up and pull my edges out before securing the wig down, just to make sure that the edges don't get all sticky and nasty, and then to make sure the hair is out of the way so that I can get the job done. The wig is big head friendly. I still would recommend cutting at the ear tabs though, just so that it feels comfortable and the lace is not sitting on top of your ear, and that you can have the most space to be able to work with the wig to get the versatility that you might desire. You see how that just came right out and now it fits much better? You see? She was feeling good. She was feeling ready. And for today's look, we just wanted to go for something, you know, real beachy. We were on South Beach. We were going to a restaurant called Sassoon. So I kind of just wanted to look like a cute Miami tourist. Classy, luxurious, whatever. I used the red Ebin spray to lay her down. I just went across. Oh, my voice went out. Anyways, I went across the hairline and I just did it like 2 times. You can do as many as you like. Lay that wig band on and blow dry her. And honestly, if you're not singing your heart out and turning up like this while you get ready, the look is not going to turn out right. I'm just telling you right now. And while we're in a good mood, let's go ahead and get into this heart talk. Getting ready should be an enjoyable process. If you don't like when you get ready with your routine, something is wrong. Not me trolling my homegirl. And mind you, this is part of the process, okay? When you're letting your wig melt, you're supposed to be having fun. Gives you a better look. Yeah, whether you have to add some music while you get ready, whether you just need to sharpen your skills because maybe you just be mad when you're ready because you don't know what you're doing. And that's what I'm here for. So keep watching and I promise you, you will learn some skills. Girl, if you stay locked in for our drops, Wig and Style Wednesdays where I give wig tips, Freestyle Fridays where I teach you how to do styles, and Serving Look Saturdays where I teach you how to do the makeup looks or outfit looks going with your wig, you will be a pro and you will enjoy the process because you'll know what you're doing and you know how to have fun doing it because, baby, I do. I just used some Ebin's Mousse tint, okay, to color my lace to match my skin. It's an easy thing and it's laying the hairs down at the same time. 2-for-1 combo. Keep it simple. And all the products I use will be linked in the description box below, as well as the wig. And make sure you click the link that says My Page when you shop and order your wigs, so you can stay in the loop, receive future offers that we have, and my recommendations, girl, because I'm going to steer you the right way. Anyways, you might need to just add some snacks on the side. I don't know. Maybe you need to get ready with your friends. Maybe you need to come hang out with me and get ready with me online as well. Whatever it is, girl, we can find a solution to upgrade your routine, taking care of yourself, and just making yourself beautiful as you already are on the inside. On the outside should be completely enjoyable. And that's today's heart talk. And with that being said, this is a pro tip, baby. You don't have to look good for anybody but you. So who says you can't put lip gloss on in the house or while you're getting ready? All of these little things matter because when you feel good, you look good. Things are more enjoyable. I keep me some lip gloss on deck, okay? So I'm taking my hairspray again, spraying the edges or my hairline area, not the edges. I'm spraying the tip of my hairline where I'm about to hot comb, and I'm going to go backwards. As you can see, I always start a little bit after the part, not directly at the part, okay? Just slick it back. We want that slick back effect, like you comb your hair with some gel, okay? But we're using hairspray and hot combs. Hairspray. You guys, my voice. Oh my gosh, I might have to do some how you say it, ASMR. Because talking is literally making me so tired. I'm getting out of breath doing it. But it was so much worse, you guys. I'm actually happy that I can sing. I mean, that I can talk like this and actually give you guys my voice while I do this video. Because on the other ones, I don't know if you heard, I had to use an AI. And I'm so thankful for my girl, Jessie, because she really held it down. Because I still had to get these reviews to you. But I could not talk and it was hurting me to talk. If I talk too long, I felt like I was going to pass out. See the effect I was saying, that comb effect, and how I left the top a little bit undone? Yes. Let me know if you need to see this more in details, because I will do a hot combing tutorial up close and personal. And this is the type of things that I'll drop for you guys on Wig Install Wednesdays. So any specifics you need when it comes to installing that wig or styling, let me know, girl, and I'm here to help you perfect that. So now I'm just touching up the back and the top of the wig so everything is uniform and in place. We don't want it puffy. We don't want it too fat or too flat. Grab me some Got2B Gel and then my edges. Always apply it to the top of my edges and then slick them whichever way that looks best. I do have edge tutorials on the page. Go check it out. My most recent one will be under Wig Install Wednesday. So we did an edge tutorial. I just dropped that this Wednesday. So it's still new, girls, waiting for you. Now, my phone was being a little aggy, but bear with me. So I went ahead and did my makeup off camera and then came back to show you the final look. Girl, all I literally did was pull a piece of hair out on the left side and then on the right side and clip it to the back. And this was the final look. Bow! What do you think? What do you think? Do you love her? Do you like her? Do you need a makeup tutorial? Because I will drop one. But this was such an easy, beautiful, classy, simple, timeless, synthetic wig, beauty supply store transformation. South Beach ready. Like, be for real. Because of the beach waves in Leah's hair, the texture, I just thought it would be cute with these touristy pants, flare pants, a classy off-the-shoulder one sleeve, and a clip bag. I mean, what we doing? What y'all think? Rate her 1 through 10. Rate the wig. Rate the overall look. And what kind of transformation should I do next? Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what's going on, what you're thinking. And I'm going to link this wig for you below if you want to try her out and do your own transformation as well. Make sure you follow our social medias, which are in the description box below, so we can repost your looks as well. See you in the next video. Bye.